Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, I am going to just follow up on the math problem, the JAMB Math Problem that I did yesterday. And like I said, the problem applies to, it doesn't matter whether you're taking JAMB, SAT, ACT, SAT, YA, NACO, whatever exam you're gonna take that it's gonna let you get into a good university or college, or even if you want to, go to Europe, whatever exam you take. The thing with my question is that they're the same all over the world. The solution is the same. You might have different step to the solution, but the answer has to be the same. That's the thing about math. And it doesn't matter how old the math is, how many years it is, it's still relevant today. It's still the same process. Everything is still the same. So it does the year of the math doesn't make any difference. My question is going to be the same math question. So yesterday I solved this problem right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's the problem I solved yesterday. I just highlighted it. As a matter of fact, let me highlight that so that you guys can see. I did the same thing yesterday. This problem, I solved that problem yesterday. And if you haven't seen the solution to that problem, just go back and watch the video for that. It's a part one. I called it a part one. And the answer, obviously, you see from the video, was 5. But you need to know the steps and stuff like that. So today I said I was going to throw a little bit of twist to this. So instead of them, because this can happen, instead of them giving you 5 set of numbers, which is 5 set of number, which is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Instead of them giving you that 5 set of number, instead they gave you 6 set of numbers, right? They give you 6 instead of 5. So what would you do? So that's what I'm gonna show you guys how to solve today. So I'm gonna actually switch the screen real quick. Yeah, I think I like my other screen better, so I'm gonna switch over real quick to this screen. So the numbers are, right now, remember the number, they're 5, 9, 3, 5, 8. So the numbers are 5, 9, 3, 5, 8. Was it? I think it was 5, 8, right? It was 5, 9, 3, 5, 8, right? 5, 9, 3, 5, 8. We'll double check in a minute, yeah. But we don't make mistake. 5, 8. All right, let's go back and check real quick. Yeah, 5, 9, 3, 5, 8. Yep, that was what it was. Okay, so the first thing I told you guys to do yesterday was but before I do that, I'm gonna add the one number that I was talking to make this 6 set of numbers. So now instead of having 5, 9, 3, 5, 8, what do you guys think? Let's add a 4, right? So you now have 5, 9, 3, 5, 8, 6. The question is for you to find the mean Let's write this a little better. You have to write like a baby on these things. So you have to find the mean, and you have to find the mode, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, you know what? That's fine. We'll do the mean also. It was the mean, it was the mode, and the median. That's what they wanted you guys to find. And of course, they told you that the M, they said M represented the median and D represented the mode. So I'm gonna just, and you can go back and check this yourself on the part one, and you see that's what the answer for that one was for 5 set of questions. So this one is a 6 set of questions, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yesterday there was no 4, so I'm just adding that 4 to give you guys a rounded idea. So no matter what, no matter how the question comes, whether it comes with a 5 or 6, let me change that. The point I'm trying to make is that either it comes with an odd set of number or even set of number. So right now we have an even set of number because if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yesterday we had odd set of number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was no 4, and the video I did label it part 1 odd. Okay, so now let's go straight to the, let's start with the median. So I told you guys yesterday, you have to rearrange this number so that you can, that's the first step. You have to rearrange the number, starting from the lowest to the highest number. So in this case, the lowest number is 3, the next is 4, the next is 5, the next is another 5, the next is 8, and the next is 9. So you see, you rearrange them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, starting from the smallest to the highest. So now let's knock out one real. No, I'm not gonna do that. I wanted to do the mode, but I want to follow this format right there, the M before the D. So let's do the median first. So which number is the middle number? You can't. There's no middle number, because if you divide this by 2, there's no middle number. If you say this 5 is 2, then it's not middle, because this side is 3, this side is 2. If you say this 5 is the middle number, that's not true, because this side is 2, this side is 3. So it's not, because the median is the middle. That's what they're asking you. The median is the middle. So this is how you solve this problem. You take the middle 2 number right there, and you did the average of it. That means you divide it by 2. So this is how it's going to go. So we're going to take 5 plus 5 divided by 2. And of course the answer is what? 5. Coincidentally, it is 5 again, just like it was yesterday. So that would be your mean. That would be your median. I'm sorry. Let's just make sure we got that right. That would be your median. Actually, you know what? Since we already have the median written up here, let's just use that. So up here, right here, that would be your median. 5, right? Now let's find the mode. Again, mode, what is mode? Mode is the number that occurs the most in a set of numbers, in a sequence of number, in a series of number, in a series of measurement. The number, the one number that occurs more time than any other number. Let me repeat it. Number that occur more time than any other number in the set of number. So if you look at this number 3, 4, 5, 5, 8, 9, which number occur more time than any other number? The answer is obviously 5. 5 occurs 1, 2 times. That's your answer. That's what mode. Mode is asking for the frequency. So let's go back here and write down mode is equal to 5. So just to follow the format from yesterday, just to handle these two things, so your answer now would be, coincidentally, just like yesterday, even though I added one more number, the median is 5 and the mode is also 5. That's your final answer. If you want to look better, you can do that equals to D. Now, since we wrote down the mean, let's just do the mean and see what happened, right? So the mean is the average, right? The mean is asking you for the average, right? So this is what we're gonna do. Let's just write it right here. So we're gonna have 5 plus 9 plus 3. When you're doing the mean, you don't have to rearrange the number. Plus, because it doesn't matter how you rearrange the number, it's still gonna be the same sum. 5 plus 8 plus 4. And all of that is going to be divided by 2. So if you add that up, it'll be 5, 9 is 14, right? 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. So luckily for us, it comes out to be an even number, which is easy. So you have 34 divided by 2. And 34 divided by 2 is what? That would be 17, right? Yes, 17. So that would be your mean. So will be your mean. That's your mode answer, and that's your median. And just to recap real quick, for you to find the median, which is the M, you have to rearrange this number. This is the original set of number that you were given. This number is your original set of number that you were given, right? Once you rearrange them, this is how they will look, right? And let me put a demarcation here so that you guys know which one is what. There you go, much better. I should have made a 2-screen on this, but next time. So that is your original set of number. You rearrange them. So let me put it here. You rearrange them starting from the lowest number to the highest number. Lowest is 3, 4, the next 5, next 5, 8, and 9. Once you do that, now it's up to you to find the median. Or you cannot find the median the way it is because there is no middle number. So what you do, you take the middle two number and you divide them by, you add them up, then you divide it by 2. You add it first, so 5 plus 5, which is this 2 middle number. Then you divide that by 2. Of course, 5 plus 5 is what? 10. And when you divide 10 by 2, you get 5. So that is your median right here. Now your mode, again, is the most occurring number in the set of numbers. The number that occur the most time. In this case, it's simple. We have 5 occurring 2. Every other number, at 3 only occurs 1, a 4 only occurs 1, an 8 only occurs 1, a 9 only occurs 1, It's 2. It's this 5 that occurs more than 1. In this case, it occurs 2 times. So that would be your mode, the most occurring number, frequency, 5. You don't write 2 5, you just pick 1. So that's your mode right there. And just to throw in a bonus, we say a mean. To find the mean, which is the average of the number, you don't have to rearrange them to this. It will be a waste of time. So all you have to do is just add it the way it is. Either whether you rearrange it or not, you still get the same number. So you just add it the way it is. So once you add it, which is 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4, we found that that was 32, and you divide that by 2, which is how you do average, and you get 17. And that's your mean. Alright guys, I think that would be the end. And the next time I'm going to go next to the next question. Not necessarily, I'm going to jump around a little bit. I think next time I'm going to do a geometric question, or something to that nature. Trigonometry. I'm going to do a trigonometry question. So alright guys, thank you for tuning in. I think next time we might try to, what is that question? This question right here. We might try to do that next time. Alright guys, thanks. See you. Out.